Hello, as you can see, the blue skies have gone. We have a very cold, overcast day here. It was forecast to be sunny, but the cloud is winning at the moment. But we've just had a big wood delivery to keep us warm through the next few months, so I'm going to go give Iwan a hand to stack that under the lean-to now.
So second wood delivery of the year. First time we had stone oak, this time we're trying eucalyptus. It's going to rain tomorrow, so that means I've got to get all this under the lean-to today.
How much did we get? 2.5 cubic meters, and this is €100 worth of wood. Last time we paid 160 for the same amount, but it was oak, and we've gone for cheaper wood this time. Kind of hoping that it might be easier to cut. We're going to try and create an extra little wood storage here. I'm going to put 2 more posts in and see if we can kind of make a square log pile and then cover that, because this is getting quite high. Piece. Hey, I love this axe. Hey. Should do this before you have a shower.
Yeah.
Go in.
Nice.
Need sawing. Wood stored. And chopped. I'd like to just take a quick minute of your time to tell you about today's sponsor, which is Squarespace. Squarespace is a brilliant all-in-one platform that makes it super easy to create a website for growing your business online. They have beautiful templates that are super simple to edit, so you can quickly create a professional looking website. I've created one for Frankie off grid, and I was so impressed that within an hour I'd managed to create something that not only looked lovely but also had a product section so I could sell my illustration work, and they have a tool in which I was able to import all the information directly from my Etsy store, so it was super quick and simple. Hopefully in the future the shop section of our website will also be where we'll be selling our own wine. Building a new life off grid involves finding creative ways to make a living, and Squarespace is a great tool to share your new business or passion project and stand out with your content, products or services. Head to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/FrankieOffGrid to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or a domain. All links will be in our description below, and thank you so much to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. So because we have a lot of flooding in this field here, it tends to run into this ditch, and then that runs all the way along and off our land. So we're thinking, firstly we want to reduce the flooding here, so the ditches all along the border here need digging out, which is what we've started doing here, and you can see the water is starting to flow this way more. There's a tunnel here for the water to go through under this walkway, and then it comes into this ditch. So now we're thinking, we did do this first summer we were here, we dug a lot of this out and then it just gets overgrown and it needs more digging, so we're going to clear up this so that the water can sit in here more. Show you how deep it is here. Oh, nearly lost my welly. So yeah, that's flowing in there, but it's only this deep here, and then it just gets higher and higher, the water level, and then that would cause flooding here, so we need to clear out this, and then we do think maybe like a pond here to try and keep the water on the land more might be a good idea. It's looking so much better after being trimmed, and you can see all the water that's in here now. We're just trying to dig out a bit so that it runs more that way. Clearing brambles is definitely just one of those jobs I could do all day. I really love it. Even though they're horrible, scratchy buggers, it's just a really satisfying kind of work. Iwan's had to pop to the shop to pick up some bits we forgot to get this morning for dinner. So I'm just here getting scratched to bits. I think there's a special hatred for brambles that anyone who has a piece of land in Portugal has, but yeah, it's a lot of fun.
Don't know how well you can see all this, but today is the next day. It's pretty dark, isn't it? But the water has cleared up nicely. Definitely a much better flow. We've just got back from a village not too far away to go and check on a property that we're going to do some, well, I'm doing some like land clearing work for. It's almost like a winter project until mid-spring. So yeah, that was fun. Really cool place. Some grapevines that need rescuing from some brambles. So definitely enjoy doing that. There's an egret flying over. Beautiful. So yeah, now we're going to get cracking on moving some more of this earth in the ditch, stream, whatever you want to call it, and see if we can get some more flow going down here and see if we can get some of the water off the field. We got to about here yesterday and the flow definitely does slow down a bit. We'd like to get up to this rock and get around this area cleared and see what the deal is there. And then I'm not too sure what to do about all this standing water down here, whether to put a little channel in or maybe just to go deeper on this little section here and then see if that's lower down, to see whether this stuff here seeps into it. But we'll give it a go anyway, see what happens. Sausage helping. It's tadpoles. Yeah. We should definitely build a pond. So here's a kind of before. You can see that there is water in there. It just doesn't seem to have much flow to it, does it, Albi? On this side is where we've dug up. Albi enjoys it. Hey, Albs. So that's at least something. Looks a bit tidier. Could do with a mini digger or something. We've got another 30 metres, 40 metres to go. And then it carries on up to the top well. We did have a go at cleaning that out last year, but it all grows back so quickly. It managed to tidy up the wall a little bit. We need to work out what to do with this water. I was kind of hoping, because now we've got this lower down, that it would start to seep out. But I don't know if you can see it, but there's so much water on this bottom field here. Maybe we'll see. Maybe I'll stick a pipe in.
We keep having an escapee chicken or two. I think they might be flying over, you know. Another very sunny day, but it's a bit chilly still, so I've got my down jacket on. We're gonna go and finally rescue the fallen over prickly pear. It's on a piece of our land that we don't go too much. Just need to put my wellies on because it's very flooded there. So we keep forgetting that it's fallen over. So definitely want to rescue it because it's a nice big one.
I forgot my wellies in case you're wondering why I'm not doing it.
I don't think it's that prickly.
No? It's quite tall, isn't it? So it'd be good to get the whole thing.
Yeah.
Go on.
It's really difficult to get to. We've got some good roots here. I'm going to go without my gloves.
Go on.
A fair bit of roots.
Amazing. Diogo's just run off next door.
Huh?
So Diogo's just run off next door.
Diogo, I'm here. Come on.
There he is.
Oh boy. Come on. Oh, hi. I missed you. Where did you go?
Can you see that massive wild asparagus poking up there?
Yeah, there's loads all along here.
Is there?
Yeah, we've been in this pinch tree. The handy thing about it being boggy here is like in the There's no worries. Right then.
Can she lift it?
Too bad. Like I'm picking up a
Yeah. Way. Look at them.
Okay, prickly pear, we've got you. Oh,
Oh.
the mud's got me too. We've got any left.
Do you want to try the bigger one?
We decided here would be a good spot for it. They can get quite big over time, so it gives it a lot of space, and it's kind of nice that it's on the path up to the house.
Will it fit? Like you say, we can prop it, can't we?
Yeah. It survives this.
Yeah.
Quite a lot of roots. So.
Yeah, looks good. There we go, just about standing up. We are going to prop it. It should look quite nice from down here.
Go in that little structure.
Just in case it gets windy.
Yeah, looks good there.
Hmm. Do you want an egg? Sit. Spin. That's not spin. Joe, sit. Spin. 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 Walkies.